Hey, puppies.
Orange cheese and milk. Both of you said orange cheese.
All right, we're ready when y'all ready. When y'all ready.
We're ready. Here we come.
Whoa!
Go, Joe.
Hey, you're gonna have snow all in your boots already. Go, Joe. Ethan's not gonna be able to walk through it.
He said, "I foo." Jordan.
Oh, stop crying.
Watch out for the bushes. Golly.
We're gonna get wet and quick, aren't we?
Yeah.
Hey, Jordan. Look up a little bit so I can see.
It's supposed to be the biggest snow in history. Can't even see the road. There's a pampas grass right there. And there's those plum trees across the road, and pine tree all crashed down. There's snow on the steps right there.
I can't hardly get up. Mom, help me up. Let me get up.
Baby, I can only hold one child at a time. It's over my knees.
No. Mom, snow's blowing in my face.
Hey, Dudley! Hey, Boochie! Hey, pretty boy! Pickle! Come here, Pickle!
Prince.
Come here, Pickle! Pickle! Come here, Pickle! Take off running and dive! Take off running and dive!
Okay.
Woo! Send it.
No, not head first. Don't do it head first, you'll stub your neck in the ground. Just do a belly flop.
Mom, help me up.
Jump on your belly.
I
Hold on to
can't.
Daddy's
Freeze.
leg.
Freeze.
Your face is
Be
freezing.
still, Ethan's holding onto your leg. His feet are slippery.
You dive in, Mom.
I got the camera in my hand right now. Look at me, Jordan.
Turn around and look at Mama.
Look at me, Caleb.
Dad, watch this. Mom, I learned a trick. Watch this.
My shoes are full of water already. Full of snow. It hadn't started melting yet.
It will, though.
Be careful. You walk out there and then when you walk back in here.
I know.
You'll go with Mama?
I'm
You
going.
go.
I'm going in the truck.
You'll go with Mama?
Britt.
Well, we need a sled today, don't we?
Yeah, no.
Hey, if that sandbox wasn't covered up, we could use it.
What if this would slide? Seems too sinky.
It'll slide.
Oh, yes.
This is what they ski in right here.
Britt, can you-
That ain't Britt.
Can you find the steps, Jordan? Jordan can't find the steps, Dad.
Wait, you big old mouth.
Look at this. Look at this. My flowers are completely covered up.
Wow.
I know it. Look.
Golly, it snows deep. This is incredible, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at the basketball goal.
you making a pose for Daddy.
Hey, Gigi.
He can't get
Hey,
down because he
Boochie.
can't walk.
I want.
You can't walk, can you?
I want.
God, look at all that snow on the roof.
Mom, I'm cold. I'm done.
It's still snowing.
You're right. Ain't nobody going nowhere today, are they?
Mm-mm. All them people that was being made fun of at the grocery stores got the last laugh, ain't they?
Oh, watch. Let's eat the snow.
Take off running and dive on the hill.
Mom, let's eat the snow.
We'll stick together.
Mom, I need the snow. Mom, watch it. Mom! Mom, watch. Dad, Mom, watch. I'm eating snow.
We saw you.
Why you hey, hey! We're gonna lose some gloves now.
Jordan! Jordan!
Jordan!
Eat snow. It's good.
Are you standing on one foot and get the other one up on the snow? Is your gym dog getting cold, Joe?
Put your hand, here,
Jordan.
put your hand in.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Get some more. Elbow.
Oh, the snow's still coming down.
Elbow.
It's at least a foot and a half deep.
Dad, I'm gonna take off running down there. I'll get hold of snow.
Hold. Open your hand.
It's snowing so hard, my eyes against the eyepiece and snow's still getting in it.
Here, stand right here in this hole Daddy made just a minute. Stand right there. Hold on to Daddy's leg. Hold on to Daddy's leg.
Hold on, baby.
Hold on to Daddy's leg. Mama be right back.
Hey, what's the matter with you, Georgie? Hush, Boochie. Come on, stand up. Dad, hold your hand. Where's Caleb? There he is. I know. I see it.
When we were little, we had a sled. Not really a sled, it was a kind of
The
a,
disc thing?
yeah. Of course, we could use it when it wasn't snowing with that great old big hill beside our house.
He is unhappy.
You wanna go sit in the garage? Let me go fix you a place to sit.
Hey, Jordan, Caleb, come up here out of their yard. They don't want their snow messed up. Come on. Get up and come on. Get up and come on.
Sit right there, watch Mom and Daddy and Caleb and Jordan play in the snow.
Come on, let's have a snowball fight. See if you can make a snowball and hit Jordan. I bet you can.
It's more sticky.
I'm gonna go get hot out.
Look, man, blowing the snow in my face. I can't hardly see. if you can slide.
Yeah! Mom, I'm gonna slide. I'm gonna slide.
No. It's too fluffy. You can try. Man, I'll see how you do.
Well, this is what it looks like on Monday after it snowed like hell on Friday night. It's the largest snow in Alabama history, like between 18 and 24 inches up here. This is what the car looks like after I shoveled it off. I just got through shoveling off about 2 feet of snow. You can look at the car across the street and see how much snow is still left on their car. Office grass got whacked. Let's see if we can go in on. I don't know if you can see it through the trees, but there's Earline, Caleb, and Jordan and Ethan walking down the street with a surfboard. There they go. Cool, eh? Well, it looks like all the ice melted out of the basketball backboard. So these 3 days later, our power just come on for the first time since Saturday morning. We're freezing our butts off. We've been stranded, couldn't get out. Right now you see some tire tracks, but until today they haven't been very distinct and good. Well, it's finally starting to melt. You hear some birds hollering. See it falling out of the trees and destroyed a big old pine tree. You know, it's got to be a lot of snow to break a pine tree. The maple held strong though. Hey Bootsy, go see Mama. Go see Mama. How about turn around waving at the camera before you get fussed at? How about smiling? At least pretend like you're having a good time. Mm. Wow. Run and slide. Run and slide. Good. Do it again. You alright, Pickle?
Oh, there's nothing different this time, Dad. Dad, are you gonna
Messed up the tracks you made us.
tell Mom why they crashed?
I guess so we could get out the car out easily without getting stuck down in the snow.
Dad, I want to do what you did.
I'm not going to hold you, Ethan. Let Mama slide. Let Mama go slide.
I'll do it.
It's hard to do with boots on. It's the heels do it again, see?
Yeah, they do.
Joe can do it though. Watch out!
Now stop and slide.
What's this?
Take care. She found her a sunny, dry place.
Okay, watch out, Pickle. Watch out, Joe. Here I come. You get slid on, Pickle. You better get up.
Mom, look, it's the black cat. Mm-hmm.
That's what they used to do when you walk to school in the mornings and the water puddles would be frozen.
Don't pull on it, Ethan.
Take off mine. Slide on the water puddles.
Are you taking pictures?
Yeah.
Ethan's shaking it. Go back out there with Dad.
My
Oh,
turn.
you want somebody to hold him so bad.
Dad, it's my turn.
He slid on the sled with me, Dad. He done
He
it
did.
again. Do it again.
It's my turn. Kim's doing it. It's my turn.
Wish we had one of those sleds.
Mom, Kim's doing it.
belly
It's my turn.
Behind the boat. Well, go. You do it over there. There's 2 sets.
Oh, man. Dad, are you gonna go right now?
Go where?
To the store.
Yeah, in a minute.
Are we gonna go? Are we gonna have to go? Tokyo. Tokyo.
Huh.
We have to go.
To the store?
Huh?
No. I'm not gonna make you go to the store.
Dad, can we go to Brit's house?
I think you need to go to the store with me.
I want to.
Hey. Just make my car with that. Don't let nobody use a metal spatula in your hand. Just scrape my car with a.
Ow.
Tear it up.
No.
dog food, cat food, diapers. That's what we go in.
Mom, why we can't go to Brick's house? Mom, why we can't go to Brick's
Shut up
house?
about
Hush.
Mom, I might go in.
Well, let me put it up if you're not going
I
to
ain't
use
gonna
it.
put it up.
He's fixing to
I
pull
mean to
this
drop
over.
this camera.
Did you turn this out?
I'm back to you. Sorry, cat.